Mastering can't and couldn't in English, expressing inability with ease. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an essential part of English grammar, modal verbs. In particular, we'll be focusing on how to express inability using can't and couldn't. These are powerful tools to convey what you or someone else is unable to do. So, let's jump right in. Modal verbs like can and could express ability or possibility. But when we add the contraction t to form can't and couldn't, these verbs suddenly express the opposite, inability or impossibility. Can't is the contraction of cannot. It's used to express something that is not possible now or at any time in the future. For example, I can't swim. This sentence implies that the person is unable to swim now and probably won't be able to in the near future unless they learn how. Couldn't is the past tense of can't. It's used to express something that was not possible in the past. For example, I couldn't finish the race. This sentence means that the person was unable to finish the race in a past event. Now that we understand can't and couldn't, let's explore how to use them in sentences. Keep in mind that these words are followed by the base form of the verb. I can't ride a bike. She can't play the piano. We couldn't go to the concert. He couldn't find his keys. It's also worth noting that you can use can't and couldn't in questions to ask about someone's inability to do something. Can't you open the door? Couldn't she come to the party? While can't and couldn't are quite straightforward, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't confuse can't and couldn't with don't and didn't. The latter are used to express choice or unwillingness rather than inability. Incorrect. I didn't swim. This sounds like you chose not to swim. Correct. I couldn't swim. This clearly expresses inability. And there you have it. By now, you should be comfortable expressing inability in English using can't and couldn't. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep using these modal verbs in your daily conversations and writing. As always, keep learning and stay curious. Until next time, happy learning!